Reynold, all eyes are on you, my friend. Bring it up. Reynold, tell us your dish.
It's a dish that's revolved around the colour white, jasmine gelato, coconut frozen ganache, white chocolate crumble, strawberry gum jelly, yogurt gel, and little white pebbles with strawberry consommé gel.
It is so elegant to the eye. It's so technical. It's almost like being in a science lab. It looks breathtaking. It makes you want to dive into the bowl. It's very rare we see a dessert looking so beautiful so early on in this competition.
Thank you.
Is there a particular element that you would invite us to break first?
Go for the little white pebbles.
Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. It's almost a shame to ruin it.
Wow. It does taste as good as it looks. In fact, it tastes actually better, which is very hard for dessert when so pleasing to the eye. I have to pinch myself, Reynold, because we're at the beginning of this competition. Congrats, my man.
Thank you.
All of those flavours, white chocolate, strawberries and coconut, complement each other beautifully. Your technique throughout all the components is perfection. Well done, mate.
Thank you. Thanks, chef.
This is the kind of ephemeral art that we expect from the best pastry chefs in the world. It's texturally contrasting, a liquid gel centre with that crunchy crumble and the sort of cherries on snow. You have made it very clear that you are here and you are serious about your chances of taking that thing home with you. If this is your opening gambit, I can't wait to see where you go next.
Thank you so much.
Reynold, it's phenomenal. You are hugely in contention to get a pin today, the only pin, so well done, mate.
Well done, Reynold.
Oh, my God.
Mind blown. I was not expecting that. Not today.
Well done. Good job, Reynold. Well done, dude.
Technique,
Right there.
technique.
Yeah. Okay, I'm staying